Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. 0.2eth to 1eth, depending on the tier, as the team maintains that it wanted to pick a neutral token for pricing. 6 billion SHIB burned in March. ShibBurn Crypto Tracker has announced that in the past 24 hours, a total of 463,342,447 SHIB tokens have been burned among 31 transactions. Several hours later, a substantial amount of SHIB was burned, which brought the present total to 473,287,839 SHIB, according to the ShibBurn website. In March alone, a whopping 6 billion SHIB were burned with 430 transactions. Meanwhile, whale accumulation continues. Recent data shared by WhaleStats reveals that a whale named Bomber has bought a whopping 175.2 billion SHIB at nearly $4.4 million worth. Earlier, WhaleStats reported SHIB buying transactions from another top-eth whale named Gimli. On March 30th, Gimli purchased a total of 421,370,420,624 SHIB in 2 big transfers, paying $11,313,795 in total. Trendline initiated from February TOP, $0.000035, carried the recent short-term downtrend in Shiba Inu, SHIB. The memecoin lost 40% by hitting the $0.000206 mark. However, the recent price jump has poked the dynamic resistance, indicating a potential rally to $0.000033 monthly resistance. On March 10th, the SHIB sellers shattered the $0.000022 weekly support, teasing to revisit the January bottom support at $0.000002. The traders spent a whole week to sustain below breach support. However, $189.7 million SHIB burned on March 19th triggered an 8% pump. The long bullish candle breached $0.000022, flipped resistance and descending trendline, indicating a support fakeout. This bear trap could escalate the bullish momentum and kickstart a new recovery opportunity for SHIB holders. A retest of the breached resistance shows a long tail rejection candle, suggesting the buyers accept it as valid support. A potential rally could soar by 42%, hitting the $0.000033 mark. Contrary to the bullish assumption, if buyers couldn't sustain above the descending trendline and drop the altcoin below the $0.000022. Technical indicator the flattish 50 DM8 could interrupt the bullish attempt to sustain $0.000022. However, the altcoin trading below crucial DMAs and a record year-end liquidity position of more than $1.8 billion in Q4 2021. AMC's Q4 21 financial results are expected to bolster the company's share price, especially with its positive trajectory towards cryptocurrencies, just like Coinbase, which recently posted sky-high gains despite the ongoing cryptocurrency drop. AMC is the largest movie theater chain in the US with roughly 970 theaters and 10,833 screens globally. At press time, AMC's stock price is trading at $15.32, up 1.68% on the day, while Dogecoin is exchanging hands at $0.11 after gaining 1.82% in the last 48 hours. Shiba Inu on the other hand is the largest gainer at 10.54%, trading at $0.00002268. And second news, massive amount of sleeping Bitcoin moved after more than 11 years in hibernation. A large sum of money from a sleeping Bitcoin was transferred after being dormant for more than a decade. Since the crisis between Russia and Ukraine and heightened pessimism about the future of the global economy, cryptocurrency values have been volatile. On Thursday, Bitcoin's price surged to a high of $42,592 after a 2-day low of $38,300. Bitcoin roused from deep slumber. A transfer of roughly 489.091 BTC valued at nearly $17 million from the Bitcoin address 17QBW has just been tracked. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.